All of you are aware that India International Science Festival is going to be on a virtual platform, and the Guinness World Record attempt activities, those will be also happening on a virtual platform. We are going to use a mobile application, or we are going to attempt this activity by joining on a browser. And therefore, we thought that we should invite the technical person who will help our student participant to know how exactly they are supposed to use the application. So we have the technical team expert, Rohit ji. Welcome, Rohit ji, for this discussion session. So as students are going to join via application, can you just tell what is this application and how students will join this application?
All right. Thank you, Prashanji. The application what we are using for GWR. Okay, so there are two applications. One is the website version, and other is the Android version. Okay, so either of the two you can use. For the web version, you have to go visit the VVM website, and there you will be finding the link, and you just have to log in to go to the application, and all the next instructions will be there or once you are in the application. For the mobile version, the Android, you go to the Play Store, the Google Play Store, search the application IISFGWR. It has a logo of Science India Fest 2020. You download the application, you already have the credentials, you log in there. If somebody like or
It's
some of you are
9 o'clock.
not having the credential as of yet, there is no need to worry. We are again sending that to the email and the mobile numbers which are registered with us. Okay, so all of you will be getting these links which I just mentioned on email and SMS before your the exams.
Thank you very much for this information. So as you said that there are two options. One is by joining a browser and visiting a website, vvm.org.in.
Right.
And if somebody is using a cell phone, they will download an app called as IISFGWR and they can log in.
Right.
So can you explain, like after downloading this application, what students are supposed to do? Is it something very difficult for them to do, or there are simple steps of joining the program?
Okay. So the application is quite simple, both the web version and the mobile version. Once you are logged in, okay, there will be a timer coming. So your application will be running in three stages. What are the three stages? One is the pre-activity, or what we can say pre-attempt. Say for example, the event is happening in 4 hours from now. Okay, so you will get a countdown timer over there, which is running in reverse. It will show how much time is left for the attempt to start. Okay, so that time you cannot interact with the application, you just have to stay put. Okay, once the timer comes to 0, the button will activate, using which you have to will be redirected to the portal, that is the video portal. Okay, so the instructions are same for both the mobile and the web version, so same thing is going to be happening on both. Okay, so you turn on the button, you press the button, you go inside the app. You go inside the app. Once you're inside the app, it is very similar to what we are used on a Zoom platform. Okay, it will ask you to turn on your camera, it will ask you to turn on your audio, you give the permissions. Okay, if you're working from browser, if your browser is secure, there will be a pop-up coming up. Okay, so you have to allow your camera and the mic option to the browser, and then your video will start. So that is all you have to do to get into the application. So it is what I can say. If I summarize the flow, you have to put in your username, you have to log in, you have to wait for the timer to run out. Once it runs out, you press start meeting button and you are in the application. So it is fairly simple, minimum number of clicks, and once you are in your Zoom meeting, you can start with the activity, which the like it will be as explained on the video.
Wonderful. So it's a very simple process, and student need not be nervous about how how they'll use this application. But as you know that there are 4 different attempts. There is attempt on 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, which is used by 2 different options. That is via a mobile phone with an application called as IISF-GWR, or those people who are using a laptop or desktop, they can use any browser to join it. But what about the 4th event on 25th, that the nutrition lesson? How students will join for that lesson?
Right. So for the nutrition lesson, again, you will be logging into the VVM website. Okay. And once you log in, there will be a nutrition lesson video over there. Okay. So for the 4th date, there will be no Android application. So for the last event, that is on 25th, nutrition lesson will be happening only on the website, and that is the VVM website.
So students can join from any browser like Chrome and then log in to the vvm.org.in, and they can attempt or participate in the attempt activity.
Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes. Any browser will work over here.
Great. Thank you very much for this information. All the students who have registered, these thousands of students are very excited to participate in these attempts activities. And truly, this is going to be a virtual event. Thousands of students inside India and across globe, because the nutrition activity is the one where students outside India are also registered for that particular event. So we are looking forward to all these exciting events which are coming up from 22nd onwards. Thank you very much for joining us and giving this information. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Namaste.